Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at a devastating earthquake hitting Harnai in Balochistan, Pakistan. The 5.9 magnitude earthquake hit the town on the morning of Thursday the 7th of October 2021. A series of aftershocks were also felt after the initial earthquake. The earthquake destroyed buildings, leaving hundreds of people homeless. Rescue operations are underway, with a number of people airlifted to hospital. The extent of damage caused by the earthquake on the region will be measured over the coming days, with the exact impact not yet known. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.